Muscles are also chemical factories. Muscles constantly perform chemical reactions that convert sugars and fats into energy, making them the central hub for energy supply in the body. Muscles are heavier than bones. When compared by volume, muscles have a higher density than bones, making them heavier. This is one of the reasons why body weight can increase during strength training. Muscles hurt as they grow. The soreness you feel after a workout is due to tiny muscle damage that gets repaired during recovery. This is a sign that your muscles are growing. Laughter can be a muscle workout. When you laugh, your abdominal muscles, diaphragm, and facial muscles contract. It is said that 10 minutes of hearty laughter has the same effect as light aerobic exercise. Muscles also impact mental health. When muscles are used during strength training or exercise, endorphins, happiness hormones, are released in the brain, reducing stress and improving mood. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Knowledge Nuggets for more fascinating facts and trivia. See you in the next video.